How do you divide fractions? Keep, change, flip. That's it. So let's just jump to number 8, for example. So here's a division problem. So if you want to put somewhere at the top a big old star, keep, change, flip. To divide. Because not all of these problems are division problems. So make sure you're only doing keep, change, flip if you have a division problem. Okay? So if we look down at number 8, 8 is certainly a division problem, isn't it? I'm doing one fraction divided by another one. So when we glance down at 8, step 1 is to keep, change, flip. And then once I do keep, change, flip, it turns into a multiplication problem. And you just learned how to do those. So before you do anything, you do have to rewrite it. I know it's a little tedious, but what are you going to do? So you keep, by the way, does everybody know what I mean when I say keep, change, flip?
Keep and change the sign, and then you flip the fraction.
Exactly. The first fraction, you keep it exactly as it is. So x squared minus x minus 12 over x minus 4. Keep. Change to multiplication, and then you flip the second one and take its reciprocal. So now I have x minus 5 on top and 2x plus 6 on the bottom. You have to do that first. Have to. So anytime you have a division problem, step 1 is to rewrite it as multiplication. Keep, change, flip. And then you do just like you've been doing. So there's just that one little step you have to do first. But now I can go ahead and I can factor everybody, cancel, and write my answer. That's it. So division, you just have to remember to flip it first. And then you go for it. So now, this first numerator, that's going to factor into -4 and a +3, right? Okay. Nothing to do. Here I can take out a 2. And then I go ahead and I just cancel like I normally have been. X minus 4s will go. Anything else? X plus 3s will go. Anything else? That's it. All I have left is x minus 5 over 2. By the way, just a random question that popped into my head. What happens if everything cancels out on top and bottom? What's your answer?
0.
I was wondering if anyone would say 0. It's 1. Right? Like, think about the fraction. If you have 10 over 10, that's not 0, that's just 1, right? So if everybody cancels, your answer is just 1. All right. So division's super easy. Let's try one more division. How about 9? Everybody try 9.
Wait, what did we get first?
8 was x minus 5 over 2.
Wait, I have a question regarding, like, when we're at the 5x plus 15.
Yeah.
We can take out a 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
So is the 5 and then in parentheses? Okay.
Okay, so, oh, sorry. Okay, so I just did the first step. I did keep, change, flip. So you all did that first? You have to do that first. You cannot factor and cancel and then try and flip it. It doesn't work that way. It has to be first rewrite as multiplication and then do the multiplication steps in order. Factor, cancel, write what's left. All right, so I did all that. Now I can factor. Be careful on this one. Make sure you have x minus 6 and an x plus 1. Not an x minus 2 and x minus 3. Because negative 2 and negative 3 multiplied would be a positive 6, and you need a negative. So that's a common mistake. So make sure you have those two factors. Here I can take out a 7. Down here take out a 5. And the last one, minus 4 and a plus 1. All right. Step 1 and 2 are done. I did keep, change, flip, and I factored everybody. Now I'm ready to go to cancel town.
Okay, x plus 1.
X plus 1s, yep.
Plus 3.
X plus 3s. Anything else? Nope, that's it. So what's left up top? I still have 7 times x minus 6. And on the bottom, I still have 5 times x minus 4. I'm done. See, aren't these fun? Yes. They're more fun
They're
than...
not as bad as graphics.
Yes, absolutely. All right, so we have 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and get started.